Hi everybody. So I got great news the other day. My bosses here at the school said that we got approved for some funds to go buy some new teardown diesel engines. So I went to the salvage yard that some of you may have heard of. It's called Diesel Valley Auto Parts. I know they have a TV show at one time. I went by there because I thought that they might have, since they're the largest salvage yard in the area, some of these mid-range diesels that we tear down and reassemble in the class. We've been kind of using these same ones that we have for a long time now. It's time to kind of swap them up and refresh them. But while I was down there, I took the opportunity to walk the yard. And then when I was there, I realized that I wasn't in their big yard that was featured on the TV show that had the classics in it. But there was a large selection of classic trucks and stuff. So I took some video while I was there to kind of show you guys what they have. If you guys have any thoughts on what you think would be a cool project, if you saw anything in the video, let me know, and maybe we can work out a deal with these guys to get a project going. But yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff at this yard. I can't wait to go check out their other yard where they got the classic cars. But this yard was more late models and classic trucks. But the video starts out with a beautiful car that I really would like to make the next project. So I hope you like the video. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm here at Diesel Valley Auto Parts and saw this Pontiac I wanted to share with you guys because I'm looking for the next restoration project. This one is a 1954. They want $8 grand for it. I'm hoping that if I think about doing this one, I can talk them down a little bit. But it's a really nice design, pretty car. It says it runs and needs brakes, so it looks like a lot of the work on it would just be interior. Look down in here, you can see, of course, the seats are in bad shape and the headliner is pretty much gone. But the dash is nice, steering wheel. So I'm really thinking that something like this might be the next project. But when you're at the Desert Valley Auto Parts, they got lots of classic cars here. This one, oh, super sweet, right? Really nice. And they got late model stuff too. If you ever need any parts in Phoenix, Arizona, Desert Valley Auto Parts is a big yard. So come on by. I'm trying to get some engines from these guys for the schools teardowns right now, and maybe work on a relationship with them for marketing where I can do some videos of the rebuilds and restorations that they might be doing. So pretty cool. So dvap.com right here, information. So I hope you guys come check these guys out. They have a little bit of everything here. Look at this guy right here, nice. So now I'm deep into their yard here. I'm looking at some of the older trucks. They got some Fords down here. I'm thinking that the next restoration I would like to do might be a pickup truck. So, but I'm not 100% sure. So we're walking around, we're looking. That's a nice one. Ooh, look at this guy right here. Here's a nice old Ford. Do that one up. I don't know what this came out of. Look at this guy. Hey, if you guys like seeing these diesel training videos and you like to see more classic car restoration, resto mod ideas, every time you go to Charlie's Garage Etsy channel or Shopify channel and you go to one of those two stores and you buy a product, that money goes directly back into one of three things. They are supplying me with materials to do projects with that I can film. They are supplying me with project cars, and they are supplying me with funds to take care of the furry friend section of this channel. My love for animals, adopting, rescuing, it gets expensive and I can use all the help I can get. I got some pretty cool products on the stores. There will be a link. So please visit them, shop, appreciate it. Love you guys, bye. So what do you guys think? Should a 1985 Bronco be the next project? I mean, the body looks pretty squared up. Got a nice Dodge club cab here, really nice. It's just too much eye candy here for me to take in. And if you're looking for a rear end, this is the place to come, man. They got them all lined up over here. Look at that toolbox truck over here. Looks like that might be a good little project. All kinds of glass.